Shivakumar, I omitted you. Doesn't matter. Now, Magesh, please tell
Sir,
me 3 current affair news.
sir, in my automobile sector, I have one important news, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
The Hero Group of companies sell most of the vehicles in festivals. This festival season, that is 14 lakh vehicles are sold out, sir. It is very
Okay,
remarkable achievement in
good.
automobile industry,
Mm.
and um, that is a one thing, sir. I'm not aware of any newspaper, sir, because it is not available here, sir. I'm
I
staying
have
in remote area.
I am sharing in our WhatsApp itself. Are you not seeing it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Seeing, sir.
Why
Seeing,
don't
sir.
why don't you download that and read? You have to download that and read. Now, please tell me next question for you, Magesh. What is the
Sir.
job role of administrative officer? You are a generalist, na?
Yes, sir. No, no, sir. I'm specialist officer in automobile sector, sir.
Ore Baba, you are specialist in automobile.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how do we increase our automobile insurance? How do we go about increasing the motor vehicle insurance?
By by awareing the people with advertisements
Mm,
for the safety of families are driving while they are driving. So we
mm,
have to aware them how the safety is important in our lives.
mm,
So in every movement, so nowadays the more accidents are going on, sir. So we have
mm,
to aware them by public meetings,
mm,
and also posting the brochures and flexes
mm,
in the public areas,
mm,
and cross selling the insurance policies.
mm. Yeah. Can you tell me how many officers are there in NIACL?
In our country, sir, are the total
Uh,
25 plus countries we are having the branches,
mm,
and over 1900 plus branches in India, sir.
no, no. In the website, it is given as 1,800 plus.
In the below of the section, sir, they mentioned 1900 plus, sir.
Acha, acha. Really? Where?
Yes, sir. I go. Can you, sir?
Yeah,
Can
yeah,
you?
yeah. Yeah, I am seeing it. Yeah. The new India has a strong network of 9,900 plus offices
Yes, sir.
across
Yes, sir.
India. That means we cannot
Yes, sir.
believe what they are giving boldly also.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
They're updating below the main dashboard, sir.
Excellent, excellent. That is correct. 1,900 plus offices, presence in how
Yes, sir.
many countries?
25 plus, sir.
Correct, 25 countries. Correct. Now,
Yes, sir.
last question for Magesh. What is the
Sir,
authorized?
I want to add one more point, sir.
Yeah,
They opened the first overseas branch in London, sir, in 1920.
but don't tell about old things and all now.
Oh, okay,
Now,
sir. Yes, sir.
now we are in 2023. What is the fun of talking about 1920?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If you can talk to me something about 2024, I'll be happy. But
Sure, sir.
now you are talking about 1920, that is useless.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me what is the authorized capital of our company,
Present, sir.
or yesterday or day before yesterday? Tell me what is it now?
Well, exactly, I don't know, sir.
You don't know? 1,000
No, sir.
crores. Authorized
Oh, okay,
capital
sir.
is 1,000 crore. And
So this paid up capital and authorized capital is both are same, sir? Or?
no, no, that is different. Oh, acha, you may not know that. See, what is
Yes,
meant
sir.
by authorized capital? Whenever a company is started for doing business, it may be a private limited company or a public limited company. In the case of private limited company, minimum number of shareholders is 2 and maximum number of shareholders is 200. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
in the case of public limited company, minimum number of shareholders is 7 and maximum number of shareholders is unlimited. In India, the company having maximum number of shareholders is Reliance. Reliance group of companies, they have the maximum number of shareholders. Whenever they start a company, they will take, say, approval from the registrar of joint stock companies, wherein they will say that we may be permitted to raise capital up to this much. That is authorized capital. For registering the company, the um, the promoters will have to prepare memorandum and articles of association and to get them registered with the registrar of joint stock companies. Yeah, there are so many joint stock companies in Tamil Nadu also. The one I remember is Chennai, other one Coimbatore. There must be many more. Any lawyers is here? Anybody lawyer is here? Any lawyer? Nobody. So you can just find out I think most of the districts you may be having, um, say, joint stock registrar of joint stock companies, and they will be registering it. Okay, Magesh.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
You just said Reliance company has maximum number of shareholders.
Yeah.
No, sir. Recently, Yes Bank has become the company which has maximum shareholders
Acha,
of
is it
50
so?
lakh.
India
Yes, sir.
uh, Public Limited. Let me search Public Limited Company with maximum shareholders. It's only what our Google uncle says.
Okay.
Let me see.
Public limited company.
Uh, mm, Companies with high market cap. Market cap is different. Market cap is number of shares issued into the share market price of that share. Do you follow? That is different. Now, regarding shareholders, public limited company, Tata Technologies, minimum and maximum number of directors. What is a public limited company? Mm, where did you see it? Kindly send that one. If you are coming across that one, kindly send it to me. Okay. As far as I
I
know,
just
I have been telling Reliance all these days. But if there is a change, kindly tell me. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. From where did you get it? I don't know. Anybody else has got information regarding this?
That was
No.
recently in current affairs.
Acha, acha. Good. Now, but maybe regarding some other thing, cannot be regarding number of shareholders. Reliance has been there for quite so many years. Um, so, uh,
Yes, sir. But Yes Bank share price is very less, so even common man can buy that share. Because of that reason, it has become the bank
maybe.
or company which has more number of shareholders.
Mhm. Yes, Bank is a limited shareholding platform. Yes, Bank widely. Yes, Bank Limited latest shareholding pattern. Shareholder information, shareholding about Yes Bank. I'm just seeing online. Yes Bank shareholding online. Just a minute. Shareholder information. I'm just seeing online. Just a minute. I will show you. Otherwise, you'll feel bored. Yeah, yeah. Uh, Placement document and all that. I think money. What is that one?
Sir,
Moneycontrol.com.
you can
Moneycontrol.com must be able to tell us Reliance shareholders and Yes Bank shareholders. Yeah, let us see that. Yes Bank acquires stake in Reliance Power Home. They are buying it. That is okay. How many shareholders does Yes Bank have? Yes Bank not just becomes the first company, but also the first bank in India to be owned by more than 50 lakh shareholders. This is despite Yes Bank share price falling by at least 94.5% in 5 years. As per the latest shareholding pattern, Yes Bank has 50.57 shareholders as at the end of March 31, 2023. So what you say is correct. I think they are having a good number of share. Let me see about Reliance. Reliance shareholding, number of shareholders. Reliance Industries, it is 2,393.05. Very costly, very costly. The number of shareholders, it is not showing here. But I think maybe what you say is correct. Thank you. Thanks for the information. Good. Very good. You should correct me whenever something wrong I'm telling, because I rely on whatever I have studied. Okay, good. Next one. We will go to this one. Yeah, next question after Magesh. After Magesh. After Mohit Sankala. Mohit Sankala, you are appearing for which interview?
Sir, NICL specialist
NIACL AAO specialist. What is the specialist?
in accounts, sir.
Accounts. Acha, good. Can you tell me what is the say the earnings of our company during the last quarter? Earnings of our company during the last quarter. What was the last quarter premium received or income received? Or if you can tell me the net profit for the last quarter, that will be very nice. Can you remember that?
Sir, 130 crores, sir.
Because I think I have posted a video on that.
130 crores.
130 crores. Anybody has seen my video where I have posted about the profit earned by our NIACL? Just a minute. Just a minute. NIACL. Playlist. Just a minute. I'm seeing it here. NIACL AO. I have posted about 4 or 5 days back only. Karnataka IDBI NIACL. Correct. Karnataka PMKFBI. Karnataka mock interview. Wrong credit. Glossary of insurance terms. About us profile. In NIACL interview questions, commerce. NIACL Venkita NIACL interview questions 3 and all that. NIACL about us profile. I think it must be there only in the profile. Just a minute. I'm showing you. I think you must be seeing the screen now. This is regarding. Yeah, this is the thing. This is the thing, and this is what it is. I think it comes somewhere here now. Foreign agencies in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Bahrain, superior capital position, strong operation. Then regarding the management I think that chairman and managing director is Mrs. Neerja Kapoor. That one is not coming. Mrs. Neerja Kapoor in some other. It has directors. It must be in some other list. Anybody has studied about balance sheet? Has anyone studied about it? You must be able to tell immediately. I don't remember. You candidates, you must remember that and tell. Glossary of insurance, AO, please. I think I posted that much earlier. NIACL interview questions 1, 2. NIACL generalist, legal, IT quarters, successful candidates, successful commerce, computer, etc. New Delhi, tech literature. So please check up and you must be able to tell about that. If you don't know, you can say I don't know. That is all. That is the only option. There is no other way. Okay, good. So I'm stopping sharing of this one. Now, Mohit Sankala, you are a commerce graduate or accounts graduate. Can you please tell me what is balance sheet? What is the advantage of, say, looking into the balance sheet, say from the angle of investors, because you are now going only for insurance company. So the insurance company's balance sheet people will be looking into, and from there what they will look into, or in a way, in case this insurance company is going to a bank for borrowing, so what are the points that bank will be looking into? So you can answer anyway, whatever you feel like. Please tell me, Mohit Sankala.
Sir, balance sheet shows a company's financial position, and we can say what are the assets of the company and what are the liabilities in the balance sheet. And like if a company is going to taking a loan from a bank, so bank will check that what are the loans the companies what are the loans as the company has already taken, and the uh, where the company is capable to pay the loans. So, and the assets are the capable to pay the company loans. So, and as well as the bank will see the profit of the company.
Good, not bad. Can you add some more points? What can the investors, what they will look into, from which angle they will
The
look into?
investor will say like earnings, how the earnings of the company, like EPS and EBITDA, like earning before interest and tax and depreciation, and like what are the company revenue? Is the company is growing every year or not?
Whether
That's
the
it.
company is growing or not. Good, you told nicely. Yeah. Now, can you please tell me why capital is shown under liabilities?
Because sir, this is the a person when a person start his business, it is a liability for the business to the owner. That's why the capital is shown in the liability.
But as a commerce student, you have to tell it better way that this is based on business entity concept.
Yes
Business
sir,
is a
yes sir,
separate entity and shareholders
yes
are
sir.
separate entity. You must use technical words.
Okay.
When you are a commerce student, you must be able to tell me nicely. Please tell me what is authorized capital, what is paid up capital.
Sir, authorized capital is shown in the memorandum of association in the company when the company start, like it is the maximum capital which company can issue, and the paid up capital is the share capital which has the shareholders and paid to the company.
Excellent. Good. What is the figure for NIACL?
Sir, I am not remembering now.
Can anyone tell me authorized? Just now we saw
Authorized
1,000.
sir 1000 crore sir.
Yeah.
1,000
Paid,
crores.
paid up,
Capital I तो
paid up
I am
capital how
not
much?
I am not remembering.
ऐसा बोलने से कैसे काम देगा बोलो तुमको? हाँ? 824 crore. Hello?
Yes sir.
824 crore. I can tell, I don't remember. But आप
Okay sir.
लोग, you should remember everything and tell correctly. Thank you, Mohit. You answered this question nicely. Very nice. Then we will go to Mrinali. Mrinali, you are going for bank or
Yes,
insurance?
sir.
Which one?
NICL AO specialist, health, sir.
Oh, Baba, health specialist. Oh, good. Can you please tell me what are the principles of insurance?
Principle of insurance.
What happened? Is it a out of portion?
Principle of
Out of portion question na kya?
no, sir, no, sir. Right now I'm remembering only two: principle of subrogation and principle of indemnity.
Only two you are remembering. Can
Yeah.
any other NICL people tell me what are the principles of insurance? Excuse me. Anybody who has come for NIACL? Sushoban Roy, you are also NIACL? No.
No, I am from UIAC.
Acha, then what? Even then, same only. Please tell me what are the principles of insurance?
It is firstly utmost good faith, then then indemnity, then causa maxima, then subrogation, and mitigation of loss. I can remember this much.
So I think more or less you have covered. In still, let me tell you fully. One point, I think one has been omitted by you. One important point has been omitted. One important point has been omitted by you. Can I take an insurance in your name?
No, insurable interest. Yes, sir.
A2. So these are the important points. Mrinani, now can you recollect
sir.
and tell what are the principles of insurance based on what he has told also? Try to recollect and tell. This is a sure question. This is a sure short question. Insurable interest.
Insurable interest. Principle of indemnity. Principle of sorry, sir. I'll read it.
Insurable interest, utmost good faith, proximate cause,
Approximate.
indemnity, subrogation, contribution, and loss of minimization. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Contribution and loss of minimization. So they will ask about each and every thing also. What is meant by principle of mitigation? What is meant by principle of contribution? What is meant by principle of subrogation? I think all these things are available in the notes given to you. I think so. 1 minute. I'll stop this. I'll see here. No, it is not coming here. So let me close this. Let me close this. I have opened so many things. So that is the problem, 1 minute. I'll come to this. And this is the file, my file, NIACL. NIACL. Where is it? Where is NIACL? Correct. Here, Hollywood Insurance. I think we can take some questions from here also. Yeah, some questions from here. I think insurance, everything here, principles of insurance comes under page number 8. Yes. Page number 8. It comes under page number 8. See, in fact, in LIC, ADO and all, I used to conduct this as a regular class. But unfortunately, I'm not having full time, so I'm not able to commit myself. But I am showing you this so that you people can go through this and prepare yourself properly. This is the Agriculture Insurance Corporation, Insurance Regulatory, the names and all would have changed. So, so what we were discussing about principles of insurance. Mrinali, can you read this now on the screen?
I'm not able to see screen.
अच्छा, I have not shared. अभी देखिए.
Yes, sir. The
Please
basic
read.
principle which Yes, sir. The basic principles which govern the insurance are principle of utmost good faith. Each party must reveal all material information to the other party, whether such information is asked or not. There should be there should not be any fraud, non-disclosure, or misrepresentation of material fact. Principle of indemnity. It means that it means that insured in case of loss against when the policy has been insured shall be paid the actual cost of loss not exceeding the amount of the insurance policy. Principle of insurable interest. Insurance interest is that interest when the policyholder get benefited by the existence of the subject matter, and loss if there is death or damage to the subject matter. Principle of causa maxima. It means proximate cause or cause which in a natural or unbroken series of events is responsible for loss or damage. The insurer is liable for loss only when such a loss is proximately caused by the peril insured against. Principle of mitigation of loss. An insured must take all responsible care to reduce the loss. We must act as if the property was not insured. Principle of subrogation. According to it, after the insured is compensated for the loss caused by the damage to the property insured by him, the right of ownership to such property passes to insurer after settling the claims of the insured in respect to covered loss. Principle of contribution. The insurer must share the burden of payment in proportion to the amount insured by each. If one of the insurer pays the whole loss, he is entitled to contribution from other insurers.
Good. So this is what it is here. Now looking at your health sector.
Yes, sir.
How will you explain about this? That is principle of utmost good faith. So as for while issuing insurance policies for mediclaim insurance, so principle of utmost good faith, you will say, yep, an insured
Yes.
has followed it fully. When will you say, or when will you say he has not done it with principle of utmost good faith? बताइए.
Yes, sir. When we ask insured person about his past medical history, its current medical status, about his diseases or any critical illness, then if he tells everything about it, then we can say individual follow the principle of utmost good faith.
Yeah. In other words, this is a policy for health only. So the person who is going to be insured, he must reveal all the details about his health conditions. Like for example, his height, weight, blood group, then whether he has got certain illnesses previously. So all those things must be told correctly. If he suppresses that, normally the company will not repay the claim. So normally whenever a mediclaim insurance policy is issued, for how many years they will not recognize the claim?
Minimum 2 years, sir.
Minimum 2 years, correct. Can anyone, is it right or wrong? All the companies have only 2 years, no? Yeah. Two minimum.
Most of them have 2 years. Some recently start 1 year claim period also. 1 year and 6 months.
Acha, very good.
हाँ.
That's good, really good. But now, in the case of your health insurance, so what is the maximum age up to which mediclaim policies are issued?
Sir, anyone can take medical policy.
Mediclaim policy.
So for
maximum
55 years, 55 years, I think. Sorry, sir, 65 years.
Can anyone correct me? Others, please tell me India.
Sir, as far as my knowledge is concerned, up to 60, they allow full 100% coverage. After 60, you have to opt for copay.
Oh, acha. It seems nowadays they are giving senior citizen also, above 60 also they are giving. Yeah, 65 years it seems. What is the maximum age of buying health insurance? Most insurance companies in India are you seeing on the screen? No.
Yes, sir.
Offer a variety of health insurance policies up to the age of 65 years. Individuals over the set age brackets can buy comprehensive senior citizen plans that cover a variety of medical. I don't understand this. So what is that? I don't know. But so we can know from the policy bazaar and all. Policy bazaar. Yeah. Recently, I think Arogya Raksha, United India, they revised it to some 68 years and all. It will differ from a company. It depends on the company. That is why we pensioners, we are always going to a policy known as IBA health insurance policy. IBA health insurance policy now it is issued by National Insurance Company. But I told you that day itself, the premium has been revised exorbitant way. They have raised it. Can you tell me, Mrinali, why the premium in insurance policies are getting revised high most of the time? Why? What is the reason? Hello.
So,
Tell me.
So, yeah, in case of health insurance, as the individual age increases, there is more chances of geriatric diseases and certain critical illness. So, for covering those all, health insurance premium are getting increased age by age.
Yeah. So, in respect of other type of insurance like fire insurance, burglary insurance, and all, what is the reason for which it is right, Mr. Suborot? What is Roy? Some Roy. Sushoban Roy. Please, thank you, Mranali. Now, Sushoban Roy.
Thank you,
please,
sir.
Thank you. Sushoban Roy, please tell me what is the reason on account of which companies revise their premium? Always it has been increasing. It has never been coming down. Why?
Actually, it depends upon your age. Thereafter, there is actuarial valuation based on the data available from various sources like National Finance Health reports that are periodically published. And that's why, based on the risk, they enhance the premiums or readjust the premiums.
But the answer for this is I was not confining myself to health only, to other insurance areas also. For example, say motor vehicle insurance, fire insurance, and all, they are revising. Why? It is because the claim received is proportionately rising, and as a result of that, the company's liability also increases or their profit comes down. So that is the reason why the premium rates are being revised periodically. For example, in every year, the vehicle population increases. So accidents automatically will increase. Understand? So likewise, fire insurance, when more companies are started and more air conditioners are used and all, and pollution is affected, there are more chances for fire insurance, more claims, more premium. Correct? Could you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you explain, Mr. Subodhan Roy, about principle of casa maxima? What is principle of casa maxima? You have to explain with example. So, show anybody else going for insurance? Anybody going for insurance? That's all. No, here, Sushoban Roy, what happened? Chup chap baita hai kyun?
Hello, am I audible?
Boliye.
Yes, CASA maximum means that the event happened should be natural. For example, in case of health insurance, at least you have to should be an heart attack or there should be some pain naturally, not unnaturally like suicide attempt or attempt to harm others.
That is, it should be a natural one. He should not have himself created it. For example, you take fire insurance and you
Put the house on fire.
you put you put the house on fire, you will not be getting it covered. Excellent. That's a correct thing.
Sir,
Thank you.
can I say, sir?
Yeah, please
Sorry.
tell me.
Sir, in the proximate cause, there is a I can say example. If a person is take a accident policy and he got accident, but when he go to hospital, he died from the heart attack. But he will get the insured amount because the proximate cause was the accident.
Yeah. So that is correct. So I think Roy, you may have to explain like this. When the loss happens, the reason must be the risk that is covered. For example, a person must have taken a fire insurance policy, but there may be a flood. If there is a loss on account of that floods, such a thing will not be covered. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Principle of cost. So that way you should explain it. The particular loss must have happened due to the risk that is covered. Due
Okay,
to the
sir.
risk that is covered. That's what it is. Thank you. So only this many insurance people are there. All others are banking. Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Sir, if anyone asks the question about what is age period, that is 65 to 55, so we can tell 65 to 68 for a different insurance company.
No. Normally it is 65. Normally it is 65 years. And
Okay,
if
sir.
you happen to go through our New India company's website and you come across some other data, please post it in our WhatsApp group. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
that will be better. You must be able to go through that. Now we will go for some other questions. Thank you. Now we will go for some normal banking questions. This cannot be stopped. Why it is not coming? Yeah. Now coming to banking, can you please tell me what do you understand by pledge? What do you understand by pledge and hypothecation? Who can answer for me from banking students? Banking students, anybody? Yeah, Shivakumar, tell me.
Pledges for
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Hypothecation is the
Tell me.
it is said when a bank gives loan, it will take security, sir. If the security is a movable security, then we say it is hypothecation, and that security will be with the customer. Like for example, car loan. In that case, car will be with the customer, and that car is the security.
Don't call customer, borrower.
Borrower. Okay, sir.
Borrower. What is
In
pledge?
case of pledge, this is also in this case also security is a movable one, but it will be in the custody of the bank, like gold loan.
Correct. In the case of gold loan, the jewel is retained with the banker. Whereas in the case of car loan, the possession continues to be in the hands of the borrower. Good. You told nicely. Now, who can answer me another question? Somebody going for bank, please tell me what is a mortgage when mortgage is taken by the banks. Yes, please. Banking people, but of course, even in federal bank, they don't ask that much deeper, but it is good for us to know about it.
Sir, it is also security. It is an immovable security. Example is house loan. If we give papers of house as security, then it is called mortgage of housing or mortgage of residential property.
No. Actually, it need not be residential property. It may be a company property also. You must use words that are suitable for this. You must use the word immovable property, house or land. Immovable properties such as land or house and building. House and say land and building or land only is being offered as security, that is known as mortgage. Okay.
Okay.
Normally that is taken in the case of housing loan. You are correct.
Yes.
You are correct. Good. Very good. Now, others who can answer me next question. Del. What is your name, Del? Del. What is your name? Excuse me, Del. What is your name? I think our internet is not all right. Del. It doesn't matter. Aishwarya, can you answer next question? Aishwarya.
Sir,
Are you able to hear me or not? Why you are
yes,
all
sir.
not opening your mouth? What
Yes, sir.
have you come here? You have come here to learn. You can learn only when you talk, not only when you listen. Now, Aishwarya, please tell me who is your role model?
Sir, my role model would be my mother, sir. She has always encouraged me to expand, to learn more, to be successful, and to be financially independent, so that I can pursue my own dreams, sir.
No, what is the quality you would like to learn from her?
She was the most important quality I learned from her is that it missed a lot of external disturbances or career needs. She was able to manage both family side and career side with much ease. So I would like to imbibe that quality into my life also, sir.
Good. So normally when they ask role model, if they ask simply role model, you can tell like this. But in federal bank, they do ask like this. Please tell me a role model other than your close relatives and which quality you would like to learn from him or her. How will you answer this question, Aishwarya?
Sir, I am from insurance sector, sir.
Acha,
Does it matter?
yeah. Acha, you're going for insurance sector.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't matter. Even then, this question is very much applicable for you. Please tell me a role model other than your close relative.
Sir, I am not able to recollect anyone's face now.
Now, Raj Gupta, can you tell me? Raj Gupta.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
No,
Should
good
it be
morning.
related to personal or other than personal, sir?
No, it is not related. Not related to you.
Okay. Then, sir, I would like to say, in the field of politics, I would like to admire our great former president, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And
No,
in
but
the field of,
do not tell about people who are no more.
okay. Then, sir, in the field of sports, I would like to admire Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. As we all know that in the situation of extreme and the different circumstances, he always maintain his kind and composure behavior, which helps him to perform even best of its ability in the toughest of the situations. The test.
Hmm. Hello. Hello, Raj Gupta. What happened?
We can, sir, internet was breakdown actually that time.
Um,
Is it fine now, sir?
now speak again.
Okay, sir. I'm
Rep-
speaking again.
repeat again.
Okay. Sir, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, for his
Hello.
and because of his best managerial activity for the team India, in the lot of situation we have seen that with his great management skills, team management skills, he never lose their calm in difficult circumstances, and he is able to win the matches and a lot of trophies, which brings more and more success to the Indian team and for the nation.
Good. Now, thank you. Now I'll go for the next person. Gokul. Gokul, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Gokul, you are
Yeah.
going for which interview?
Karnataka Bank PO, sir. AFO.
Yeah. Oh, AFO. Good.
Yes, sir.
Agricultural field officer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the job role of an agricultural field officer?
Sir, I
Hello?
don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
So I didn't study that, sir. I didn't search it and studies.
Or you know what is the job role of a probationary officer? That one at least you know.
It's a customer acquisition,
Ah,
branch management.
correct. Good. Good. You are coming on right line. Yeah. Then tell me.
Front-end customer facing,
Correct. Good.
handling retail operations of the branch,
Okay.
and providing financial solutions to the customers.
Okay.
That's all I know, sir.
Very good. That's what you are remembering.
Yes, sir.
Other things you are not able to remember. I will share it now. I think we saw it once.
Yes, sir. We saw it in, I think, the day before yesterday, you showed.
Yeah, I have showed you. Yeah.
From that, I could, yes, sir, this PDF.
Yeah. Customer acquisition, front end customer facing role. Or if you don't remember it fully like this, you tell about say receiving customers, opening of accounts, and
Yes, sir.
satisfying the needs of customers and helping the branch to acquire more of para banking services like insurance policies, then mutual fund products, and also maintaining friendly relationship with superiors and also subordinates, and try to increase the business of the branch. Then also see that digitalization is made popular by telling the customers about the advantage of digitalization. So like that, you can tell about that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The famous question for bankers is this one, and it is applicable for insurance also. What is KYC? What are the documents that are used for KYC? It is same common question for both insurance and bankers. Now, who has not talked so far? Who has not talked so far? Everybody has talked. Acha, good. Now, who can answer this question? Tell me about KYC. Del, are you there? Del, are you there? Del, what is your name? Why are you not talking? Excuse me. Anybody knows who is this person? Why this person is not talking? Doesn't matter. Anybody else can answer me this question. Last question for the day.
Sir,
KYC. Please answer.
Know your customers, sir.
Tell me,
sir,
what is it? How it is done?
Through
sir,
other
KYC,
verification.
Through Aadhaar, then
Then linking of other PAN card, sir.
Aadhaar and PAN. Okay,
PAN, yes, sir.
that's right. This will satisfy. This will
Yes, sir.
satisfy KYC. Can you tell me what are the other documents that can be used for this? What are
Sir,
the
PAN
other?
is mandatory. Apart from that, we can use any photo identity card like voter card, digital ration card, driving license, or the PSU or government ID cards, passports as well.
Digital ration card cannot be taken. It can be taken only for address. But I think even their address, do they mention in their card? Are they mentioning address in the card? I'm not. Is it there? Name is there. Address also must be there. Are they giving it? Anybody has seen it? I saw it 2 years back. I don't remember now. Anybody has seen the ration card, digital ration card, wherein what are the particulars that will be there, and whether it contains address also? Can anyone tell me? Otherwise, no problem. See, for KYC, apart from this, you can also take passport, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Card, or driving license also. And this KYC is done as per the RBI's mandate, and this is done in order to prevent, say, Benami transactions and also to avoid money laundering. Could you follow this? Yeah. So this is a very important question from the point of view of bankers, KYC, and how to satisfy KYC norms, and
sir,
what, yeah.
I would like to add, sir, National Savings Certificate is also an officially valid document.
I have not seen that so far. Yeah. Who is speaking now?
Sir, my name is Shivakumar, sir.
Shivakumar.
Sir,
No, where did you
actually,
come
there
across? Where did you come across this? Because I have not seen it.
I have read in a material, sir. It is written that there are 6 officially valid documents. They are Aadhaar card, voter card, driving license, MG Narega card, National Savings Certificate, and passport.
No. Wrong. That will not come. Driving license. Among those 6, it is not there. 100% I know. National Savings Certificate will not be there. Maybe because National Savings Certificate doesn't contain any details. Have you seen National Savings Certificates? In the national
No,
savings
sir.
certificate, only name will be there. Nothing else will be there on the face of it. Okay. So that is not correct. Thank you. Thank you so much. We will close with this now.
Sir,
Yeah, thank you. Tell me.
sir,
Hmm.
sir. Then I want to know what is the role of AAFO, sir. You asked, sir.
AFO's role is to process the credit proposals relating to agriculture
Okay, sir.
and taking documents for disbursal of loan, and not only disbursing loan but also follow up the loan and see that recovery is made, and if an account becomes NPA, follow up of the recovery. This
Okay,
is the normal function of AFO. But
okay, sir.
normally in branches, when there is not much of AFO role, they may ask you to do regular officer role also, which was already explained under job role.
Okay, sir.
And this AFO has also got responsibility to visit the site of the customer. He must go and inspect the land, and after that only he will prepare note for putting up for sanctioning. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and as an AFO, he must keep in touch with other customers and try to find out about whether any of our borrowers is misutilizing the funds, to keep a good connection with the customers and see that the interest of bank is safeguarded.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and he is the man who is processing the proposal. So he will know what is the acres of land he is owning, which crop is he bringing, and
Okay, sir.
supposing he purchases tractor, whether he is purchasing tractor or not, all those things he will verify. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you. We'll stop with this, and evening you can meet me in our interview rooms at 7:30. From 7:30 p.m. I have asked for people to come, so you can meet at 7:30. Thank you. And I am not happy with the reading that you are doing. You must do still more active reading regarding insurance people, regarding banking for banking people, and also current affairs. Current affairs. You must go through. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes.